dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Bayo Onanuga defend President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for at Eagle Square. He says that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not a Superman. My people don't be small, but moving on after this, we have Omoyele Sowore said that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is an lying man who is using Nigeria as a health insurance. But guys, before we commence fully, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest News, as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. So if today now your first time to watch this our video, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't go like miss our trend and latest news that are happening on social media. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. To all our viewers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So my people, make a yarn on the story. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Wednesday slept while boarding the parade vehicle at the venue of the 2024 Democracy Day. He has approached the vehicle shortly after he arrived at the Eagle Square, Abuja venue of the program. So it was observed that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu lost his footing momentarily as he was about to step into the vehicle. So despite the slip, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu quickly regained the balance and continued with the proceeding. The event at Eagle Square was part of a series of events to mark the country's Democracy Day celebration. Hey, my people, don't be small matter. Now Nigerians have taken to social media to react to the video showing the moment President Bola Ahmed Tinubu sleep while boarding the presidential parade vehicle at Eagle Square in Abuja. Some netizens took to social media to mock President Bola Ahmed Tinubu over the incident, while others downplayed it because the president went on with the ceremonial rounds. Hey, my people, who that can see reactions? So many persons say that it's normal to fall, that the most important thing was to rise again, which he firmly did. And that simply implies that Nigeria will rise again and be great again. Did they use that they console us? And some persons are saying that people are really looking for this man downfall, and they're not going to laugh at this incident because it can happen to anyone. Even Joe Biden once experienced the same thing. That the issue with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is about his insensitive policies, which the populace is suffering from, and he should do better or be booted out. My people, but some persons posted anonymously and they said that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu before Yakata that France hospital is calling tomorrow. And some persons went on to say that that is a national disgrace on national TV at Democracy Day. That after blowing lies on TV, his body no feel hold those lies again. Rather, he chooses to go down low for a minute. But they say they hope President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is fine because the blessing that the state economy came to his mind and made him to fall. While some persons are very sympathetic, they said hope he didn't injure. That some persons would have said sorry to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu instead of laughing because it can happen to everyone. Now Bayo Onanuga came on board to defend President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for during the Democracy Day event held at Eagle Square in Abuja. And he said that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu regained his balance and he continued with the proceeding with the security aid. That can happen to everyone. So my people, the reason why Onanuga came out to defend his principle is because the development has attracted several reactions from Nigerians. Some netizens mocked the president over the incident and others downplayed it because the president went on with the ceremonial rounds. So reacting to that incident via Onanuga's X post, Onanuga stated that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should not distract from the importance of the Democracy Day celebration. He asserted that the Nigerian leader was just human and anyone, including political leaders, could slip or fall. He cited examples of current American President Joe Biden and his predecessor Barack Obama, who slipped while in office despite his young age. So President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not a Superman. That he is a human like every one of us. Onanuga said President Biden had had several slips in the last 3 years. Even the younger Barack Obama slipped while president. So political leaders are human. Sleeping should not distract from the import of Democracy Day celebration. Also reacting to the incident on X handle, the former Kaduna Central Senator Shehu Sani defended President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for saying that anyone can trip and fall. That's not just President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Anyone alive can trip and fall. It happened to President Biden and Fidel Castro. Presidents are human beings and mortals. So he didn't say any reason why some presidents are mocking President Bola Tinubu because he's trip and fall. Moreover, he didn't cancel the ceremonial celebration. He continued with it. My people don't be small, but so I guess I would like to know what I think about this issue in the comment section. I would love to hear from you once again. Thank you so much for staying 2 years. We do appreciate. Moving on to the next one. The Revolution Now convener, Omoyele Sowore, said that President Bola Tinubu is an allying man who is using Nigeria as a health insurance. Sowore said this on Wednesday while reacting to how the president fell at the Eagle Square in Abuja while boarding the parade vehicle at the venue of Nigeria 25th Democracy Day celebration. He criticized the presidency and President Bola Tinubu supporters for comparing the incident with that of US President Joe Biden. Where people don't be small, but so speaking in an interview with the VOP FM after the incident, Sowore described the incident as no mere accident, adding that it is what we are saying when he was running for the office in 2019 and 2023. That President Bola Tinubu is sick, and there is no country in the world that should allow a sick person to lead them. That he have said it, and he will still keep repeating it. That he have no problem with old people, aging people, or sick people, because these are natural occurrences. But the moment it is established that they are incapable of running a country like Muhammad Buhari did, and he held Nigeria for ransom for 8 years. So he said President Bola Tinubu should step out of the way and let people who are fit have the capacity of a great good health to run the country. That there is no need to sugarcoat it. That there is no need to compare Biden with Tinubu. That the difference being that they know Biden's prognosis. They know that he's sick and they know the nature and character of his illness and his old age. But they don't know the one of President Bola Tinubu carry. So according to Sowore, he said that President Bola Tinubu is just using Nigeria as health insurance. But people don't be small matter. The former African Action Congress presidential candidate, Sowore, said that America has a great institution that can even run without a president, but Nigeria doesn't. Nigeria's fate is tied to president's office, and it is a hopeless unitarian system of government. So they cannot be making that kind of comparison. By the way, if America is doing something wrong, must Nigeria do the same way? That it is not as if, we are doing what America is doing right. We are only interested in using American wrong to compare our own or to elevate our own wrongs. So how long? That is what Sowore is asking. That for how long are we going to do that for? Because President Bola Tinubu is not capable and he's sick. So there is no country in this world that will allow a sick person to lead them. So they should not use President Bola Tinubu to compare that of Joe Biden and Barack Obama. My people don't be small matter. So because I would like to know what I think about this issue. Let's make the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. We do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.